some foreign students come to study specific courses that are only known to India, okay, like yoga, there is Ayurveda. So those courses, they are not available anywhere else, or if they are available, they can't be as you can be taught as good as you can be taught here in India, because India is the origin of these courses. So if you want to study such courses, most foreigners come here to India for such. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the reason why foreigners come to India. If you are a foreigner in India, I know you must have come across this question being asked by Indians: why did you come to India? So Indians tend to believe that we come to India because maybe there are no colleges in our countries, or I don't know, but that's the major reason. They think that there are no colleges in our country. So guys, before answering the question, I'm going to tell you two ways that foreigners can come to India. The first way is through scholarship, and India offers scholarship for foreign students from Africa, mostly Africa, Central Asia, and South America, and some other countries. So it's through this that most foreigners get to come to India. So that's a first way foreigners come to India, especially foreign students come to India, and it's also another reason that foreigners come to India. If you get free scholarship, and if you apply scholarship and you get it freely in India, why not? You will come, right? So that's another reason, the main reason that a foreigner get to come to India. Scholarship available in India, the main one is ICCR, that's Indian Council for Cultural Relation. That one offers 100% scholarship, tuition fee, cost of living, and also flight back and from. So another way foreigners come to India also is through self-sponsorship. In my case, I'm not under any scholarship, so that's another way. Okay, so for us that we come through this way, we come to India because we believe, or because Indian education is affordable, okay, compared to other countries like Europe, America. Indian education is affordable, and that's another reason. That's reason number two why we come to India. Another reason is India is known to be good in IT sector. Okay, so most foreign students that come for IT studies come because they know, or they believe, India is good in IT courses compared to their countries. Like in my own case, I came to India to study IT course because I believe it's better technology wise compared to my country. So that's another reason. Another reason, guys, is most some foreigners come to India to study specific courses that are only known to India, okay, like yoga, Ayurveda. These courses are only known to India. They originate from India, and they might not be in their country, okay. So that's another reason why foreigners come to India. Another reason also is duration of study in India is really short, okay, like UG or undergraduate you get to complete in just 3 years, and postgraduate in just 2 years. So it's really short duration of study. So that's another reason why most foreigners come to India, short duration. Another one also is English improvement. This one sounds ironic, but it's true. In some countries that are non-English speaking countries, like in the case of Africa, francophone countries like Congo, Rwanda, Burundi, and South Sudan, and other non-English speaking countries in Africa, once they come to India, they don't go back the same way they come. They go back when their English language have improved. I have a friend of mine from South Sudan that told me the reason why he came to India is to improve or to learn English. I don't know how it works for them, but it really works. They come not knowing English well, but they leave India knowing English. So that's another reason. He told me that most Sudanese come to India to improve their English language before proceeding to other countries, other English speaking countries. So guys, those are the major reasons why most foreign students come to India. If you are a foreign student and you are in India, let me know the reason why you came to India, and if you are an Indian or any other person planning to come to India, I believe you've already known why most foreigners come to India. And if you feel like there is something I forgot, I didn't mention, kindly let me know in the comment section below. And for that, thank you so much for your patience. Till next time guys, see you, bye bye.